Life is beautiful. Enjoy the little things. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. The artist isn't a special kind of person. Rather, each person is special kind of artist. Art has the role in education of helping children become like themselves, instead of more like everyone else. My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. Above all, be the heroine of your life, not the victim. Things are never quite as scary when you've got a best friend. You were born an original, don't die a copy. Being creative is not a hobby, it is a way of life. Self-esteem means knowing you are the dream. Imagination is more important than knowledge. It's just a start. You are who you choose to be. The 6 best doctors: sunshine, water, rest, air, exercise, and diet. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes their ride worthwhile. The more you learn, the more you earn. I'll see you on the other side of the stars. Action may not always bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. Make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your own 12 ears. Do not get upset with people or situations. Both are powerless without your reaction. Maybe that's the best part of going away for a vacation, coming home again. Despite the forecast, live like it's spring. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. You are a child of God. You are wonderfully made, dearly loved and precious in His sight. Psalm 139.